Hey bro, pass the jewel. Can you not?
Hey guys, it's RiRi with that LouisGucci and AriWitThatFendiPrada. Anyways, RiRi here is going to be trying on a couple of dresses.
No, you're not filming. I'm not gonna show them. Like, I don't like how I feel in it. I feel really girly, like a ballerina. Really short on me. That's okay. I like short dresses.
RiRi is stripping in front of me and I don't know how to feel about it.
Okay, it looks weird with the wrinkles, but if I don't wrinkle it, it's like really long.
Okay, put it without the wrinkles. You know, it could be like a business dress.
No.
Hey guys, it's AriWitThatFendiPrada and RiRi with that LouisGucci's cooking show. So, I mean baking show.
Just like,
I mean, she is the baking club expert after all. So we're making chocolate chip cookies.
that's fine, whatever. Okay, what's next?
We're making cookies. Ooh, the cabbage is good. I know, I am aware.
Whoever's watching
Start
it
it.
will like 1 teaspoon.
Can you move this? It's blocking
It's
the purpose flour. This is a teaspoon.
Okay, that's fine then. Whatever.
Also,
Shut up, Andre.
I'm just eating some cabbage.
My mom gets so mad at me because I'm like, I don't want cabbage.
Oh, you don't?
No.
Try it though, it's so good.
Let me just put myself in there.
Oh!
You don't like using your teeth?
How much?
I don't know. 1 teaspoon.
Okay.
And then you also need baking powder.
Yeah. I ain't no food. How much?
Half a teaspoon? Half, yeah,
What is it?
half a teaspoon.
There she goes.
Okay. Cream together.
Sarah.
Butter and sugars. Next. Okay, wait. So where's the butter? Butter.
Oh, she's leaking.
Did I not?
Ew.
So gross. I literally told you.
Oh, it really is.
Ew, there's hair in it.
Oh.
Just put it back in. Just put it back in.
No, wait. Look at the recipe.
Did I not tell you
I don't
this
remember
would
that.
happen?
Oh yeah, you did, but like I did it last
I predict everything in Safa's life that happens. And she still doesn't listen to me.
What are you, my mom?
What's me?
There she goes.
Just turn.
How much do I put it in for?
Just like very little. Wait,
Like
you
what-
put it in with the wax?
Yeah.
No. You have to put it in a bowl.
So
Honestly, in baking club confession, I don't do anything. I just oversee. A whole cup of sugar? That's a lot.
This is what a cup of sugar looks like.
Now when people
Baby, you gotta move fast, okay?
Okay, so now we're gonna be putting these ingredients into that bowl.
ASMR. They're actually so small.
Oh my god, looking like a snack. Not you, not you, not you, not you.
Here's your thing. I'll give you the.
Wow, wow, wow. Yum, yum, yum. There.
What's the food song? How does it go?
What I like about cheese is that you can put it on veggies.
Yum! So good.
Yum!
I'm so happy. You're actually the worst.